Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a look using the new Wet n Wild SpongeBob Squarepants collection. This limited edition collection features over 20 unique products inspired by the animated series SpongeBob Squarepants. The PR box, which is available for sale on the Wet n Wild website, features 12 of those products for $75. Now that we've unboxed it, let's create a SpongeBob inspired look using some of the products. First, let's take a look at the F.U.N Eye and Face Palette. This 16-pan palette retails for $14. It features a variety of buttery soft mattes, sparkly shimmers, gleaming satins, and self-adhering multi-dimensional glitters. Here are the swatches. Now let's dip in. First, I'm using the matte bluish purple shade in the outer half of the crease. I'm packing it on with a pencil brush and quickly blending it before moving on to applying the matte teal shade to the inner part of the crease. After cutting the crease, I'm filling in the inner part of the lid space with the matte yellow shade, and then I'm dipping into the light turquoise shade for the outer half of the lid. For some sparkle, I'm grabbing the multi-dimensional glitter and stamping that onto the center of the eyelid in between the yellow and turquoise. For the bottom lash line, I'm applying the matte purple shade, and as with every other Wet n Wild palette I've tried, I'm very pleased with the quality for the price. The next product we have to try is the Double the Fun Liquid Eyeliner in Stamp. This is available in 3 shades, and the PR box includes the shade Parties Here, which is a green color. It has a regular felt tip liner and a flower-shaped stamp. I'm just using the liner to draw a wing at the outer corner of my eye, and this is extremely long-lasting, but unfortunately it does stain. Moving on, we have the Squidward makeup sponge. This 3D makeup sponge was designed to look just like Squidward tentacles and retails for $6.25. I'm using this to apply the Underwater Wonder Liquid Blush, which also happens to be available in 3 different shades. The one included in the box is the shade Rockstar, a baby pink color. This weightless, creamy liquid formula applies on smooth and seamless for a natural finish. After blending it in with the Squidward makeup sponge, it's time to set everything in place with the Kelp Shake Setting Spray. This setting spray leaves behind a dewy finish for a fresh-faced appearance. Next, we have the Serving Up Smiles Eyelash Curler. Just about every collection by Wet n Wild features a lash curler with a cute charm, and this collection actually has 3 different options with SpongeBob, Patrick, and Squidward. For mascara, we have the Splash On Waterproof Mascara. Lots of color options in this collection, and with the mascara, we also have 3 different options, including black, yellow, and blue. I'm applying the black shade called Dive Deep, which retails for $7.98. Finally, I'm using the Bikini Bottom Cooling Lip Oil Lip Gloss. The PR box includes all 3 shades, and I'm applying the shade I'm Ready, which features an adorable SpongeBob charm. What another fun and creative collection from Wet n Wild. I'm looking forward to seeing what they come up with next. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.